Hello friends, today's topic is Man Booker Prize, which is important for the perspectives of our examination, mainly SSC CGL. So today we will discuss about Man Booker Prize. So let us start. Man Booker Prize. It is literary prize, means this prize give only in a field of literature, not in other field. For the best novel written in English, means this prize give only for novel which is written in English and published in United Kingdom and Ireland. Means this prize give only those novels which is published in United Kingdom and Ireland. First awarded in 1969, means this award given firstly in 1969. There are so many peoples which is awarded, who is awarded from the Man Booker Prize, but we will discuss only some winners which is important for the perspectives of our examination, our SSC examination. So in 1969, PH Newby, United Kingdom, from United Kingdom, his novel is Something to Answer For. And second is 1971, V.S. Naipaul from United Kingdom, and his novel is In a Free State. V.S. Naipaul is very important for the examination because his books are asked in our SSC examination. In 1981, Salman Rushdie is also important, and his novel is Midnight's Children. And in 1997, Arundhati Roy from India, and her novel God of Small Things. And in 2002, N. Martel from Canada, and his novel is Life of Pi. The movie Life of Pi based on this novel. In 2006, Kiran Desai from India. Her novel is The Inheritance of Loss. In 2008, Arvind Adiga from India, The White Tiger. His novel is White Tiger. And 2020, Douglas Stewart from UK. His novel is Shugging Bane. And 2021, this is the current question which is important for our examination, that is Damon Galgut from South Africa. His novel is Promise. So this is the some important fact from the Man Booker Prize which is important for examination. See you again with new topics. Till then, thank you.